Thinking about going long on Micron. I'm gonna stay patient for just a moment. 300 shares. Julio's ripping. All right, I'm long Micron. 300 shares. 300 shares Micron long. Julio's ripping. But patience, patience, patience. We're getting a new candle in 15 seconds. All right, man. With your yawning and shit. All right, we're holding yesterday's high on Micron. 5 seconds on this candle. All right, I'm adding another 300 to my Micron. Cutting it off under 55 cents if it makes a lower low. Here we go, Micron. Push it. Nasdaq's pulling back a little bit. It's making me think about taking a partial on Micron here, but let's have some patience. Let's go for that high. Let's make a new high. There we go, up 87. I'm gonna take 200 of my shares off the table. Now only holding 400. Locked in 30 bucks. Reducing my risk a little bit here in case the markets turn over. Micron up 108. Pushing for the new high a day. We got 40 seconds on this candle. But we going up. Let's go. Micron pushing for the high a day. There it is. There it is. The technical resistance right there. Thinking about taking 200 more off the table. Patience, patience, patience. Give it a moment. If we can break this 41, I might add to this Micron. Can we break it? Can we push it? And where can we go from there? 42.30. Time at that 41.01 technical. Patience. I don't want to get off of it too early. All right, we're breaking the 41. Let's go. 2 minutes on this candle. Up on 140, 150. I might add my 200 shares back to Micron on this pullback. Matter of fact, I'm in. I'm back on 600 shares. Give me that 96. I'll take another 200 shares off at 96. 95, somewhere in that area. Let's. Beautiful. It's holding that 82 cent, the body of that opening range. Candle, Micron. Plenty of buyers in Micron here. Come on, 10 more cents. Give me 10 more cents. Nice. Nice. Nasdaq's ripping. Micron held yesterday's high a day and is pushing it back. S&P's ripping. Micron came down here and tested me at this 50 cent level. As long as it's holding this high from yesterday, I'm fine to sit in it and let it work. Markets are popping today. S&P is about to rip a new high. Nasdaq's about to rip a new high. Here comes the new high day on the S&P and the Nasdaq. Micron's popping. Let's break that 80 cent. Go back to the high a day. Pay me my money. I'm ready to go to the beach. Almost been an hour in at work today. Let's go. There's a new high on the S&P. New high on the Nasdaq. Decent volume coming in on Micron here. Decent volume. Nasdaq hitting my 78.20 target. Can we break it and move to 43? 78.43? I think we can. Let's go. New high a day. S&P and Nasdaq is coming. It's coming. There it is. Nasdaq new high. S&P testing. The SPY made a new high. S&P hasn't yet. Micron 90 cents. Let's go. Now to the high a day. Let's go. It's a ripping. There it is. S&P new high. Nasdaq Thomas sells green, green, green. 90-cent Micron. Look at the sellers. My gosh. Can we get through them? Can we break 90 cents? Look at these sellers over here. 13,000, 2,000, 400, 500. He's getting chewed up. He's getting chewed up. Look at the pulled back a little bit. Okay. S&P trying to make a new high. There it is. I believe that is a new high a day. The Dow just broke that resistance. Nasdaq trying for a new high. I think the Nasdaq's definitely going to go to 843.75 today. So Micron held the VWAP, held the 82 cent, pushed it all the way back to 87, closed that candle out strong. Let's go, high a day. 11 o'clock session is starting. What are we going to do? Market's giving a little bit of a pullback. Nasdaq ripped a new high. S&P is next. 78.43 Nasdaq resistance. 13 points to target. Micron starting to squeeze. Need this thing to break 90 cent already. Julio dumped. Stopped following the market. Adding another 600 here to Micron on this higher low. If it breaches this 64.61 yesterday's high, I'll just take my L. It came real close to my daily goal the first 10 minutes of the trade. Didn't take it off the table, got greedy, added more, pulled back. No, I added more when it broke over 70 cent, I think it was. And then I just added more again right now because it put in a higher low and has a little bit of a bottom wick. It's been holding yesterday's high a day. And if it comes down, I'll lose $70 today, no big deal. But if it goes up, I got 1,200 shares. I'll get paid. So I'm willing to risk it a little bit. $100 or so. There we go. Back green on the day. Let's go. Rip it. I don't even need it to go to the high anymore. I got 1,200 shares. I only need it to go up 20 cent. Back to 90 and I'll be at the beach. 700 loaded to get out either direction. Looking for 90 cent for profit. Under 60 for a loss. Put in a higher low. Markets are going for a new high a day. I suspect this will at least try back for 90. Testing my stop loss here, Micron. Got greedy over here at resistance. Could have got all out, went to the beach. With a very nice payday for 10 minutes of work. Minutes on this candle. I'm going to let this play out before I exit this trade. See if it could keep me in the trade or not. So Micron did put in the higher low. It tested me, but it moved it right back up above my stop. And now we're pushing back to my average price. Down $20 on the day. Still looking for 90 cent target for my partial. 700. Micron's trying to break that VWAP. 17 cent to target. Getting tired. Didn't get much sleep last night. There you go, Micron. Push through it. Let's go back to 90 cents so I can go to the beach. Thank you. Micron's pushing for that 80 cents. We need to get over the 76 cent level. There it is. But shit. Julio is just dumping. Micron. Opening range body, 82 cent resistance right here. Can we push it? 3 more pennies? 4 more pennies? Off Nasdaq is ripping, bruh. 10 cent to target. Micron. 9 pennies from my target. It's just having a hard time getting through that opening range at 82 cents. Look at the sellers at 82 cents. The body of that opening candle, 82 cents. Stacking up over there. Let's break through. I got an order at 89 cents for my partial on Micron in case it pops really quick and pulls back. I can go ahead and take my 700 off the back at 82 cents. Trying again. One more time. Can we make it? Can we make it? Sellers at 83 cents. Sellers at 82 cents. Could just take my profit here and call it a day. Canceled my order for partial on Micron. It's not going. I'm getting tired of waiting. I'm over it. I'm about to just sell it and take my little $100 and call it a day. 1 o'clock. If it breaks under 80 cents, I'm done. I am done. All right, I'm out. I'm all done. Same money I made yesterday, $97. Well, I mean, I could have locked in $150 in the first 10 minutes of the trade, and I didn't because I was greedy. And then I bought the dip and added to it, and it didn't go up as high, and so I didn't sell it again for like 120. And then I bought the dip, and then I bought the dip again, and it just couldn't break this 80 cent forever. So I just stayed patient through lunch, and now it's after 1. It tried to break the 80 and rejected it, and now it's just stuck there. And of course, it looks like it's going to come down. The markets are coming down off of that 43.75, which it tapped on the penny and rolled over. So most likely it's gonna rip because I got out. But it's coming down, so it's whatever, man. So I got impatient with Micron here, and of course, just like I knew it would, it popped up to my target literally on the penny as soon as I got out. But that's the way she goes. I didn't get any sleep last night, so I'm just tired. 1 o'clock. I'm tired of sitting here. Ran out of patience. Locked in $97 again today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Click like, click subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.